Sahih al-Bukhari 3971, narrated Abdur-Rahman ibn Awf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He had an agreement with Umaiya ibn Khalaf that he would look after my relatives and property in Mecca, and I would look after his relatives and property in Medina. Abdur-Rahman then mentioned the killing of Umaiya and his son on the day of Badr, and Bilal said, "Woe to me if Umaiya remains safe, I alive." Sahih al-Bukhari 3972, narrated Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited Surah An-Najm and then prostrated himself, and all who were with him prostrated too, but an old man took a handful of dust and touched his forehead with it, saying, "This is sufficient for me." Later on, I saw him killed as an infidel. Sahih al-Bukhari 3973, narrated Urwa, the son of Az-Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Az-Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anhu had 3 scares caused by the sword, one of which was over his shoulder, and I used to insert my fingers in it. He received 2 of those wounds on the day of Badr and one of the day of al-Yarmouk. When Abdullah bin Zubair was killed, Abdullah Malik bin Marwan said to me, "O Urwa, do you recognize the sword of Az-Zubair?" I said, "Yes." He said, What mark does it have?" I replied, "It has a dent in its sharp edge, which was caused in it on the day of Badr." Abdul Malik said, "You are right, their swords have dents because of clashing with the regiments of the enemies." Then Abdul Malik returned that sword to me. Urwa, Hisham, Urwa's son, said, "We estimated the price of the sword as 3,000 dinars, and after that it was taken by one of us, inheritors, and I wish I could have had it." Sahih al-Bukhari 3974, narrated Hisham radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that his father said, "The sword of Az-Zubair was decorated with silver." Hisham added, "The sword of Urwa was also decorated with silver." Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.